So Voting Rights Act is being gutted. And, typical stuff from the Republicans. Hot take: if the Democrats actually did anything with the Voting Rights Act and actually treated it like it was intended to be treated, and protect black people with it and lobby for black people's interests with it, then it wouldn't be threatened right now because it would be Democrats in office. But they don't give a fuck about that. Anyway, I digress. So, but what I want to talk about is the reason that the Voting Rights Act is being gutted and who's primarily responsible for it. Another hot take: Ruth Bader Ginsburg, rest her soul. This woman stayed in office beyond everyone's advisement and recommendation, including Obama. But Obama was a milquetoast guy, so he wasn't going to force her to do anything. But she stayed in there, and the time passed where we could have made real inroads in kind of stopping this red wave on the bench of the Supreme Court. And people don't want to blame her because, like, in DC, they have murals of this woman. I mean, I get it. She's like, I think she's, what is she, like the first or the only white woman on the Supreme Court? So yeah, okay. But I'm not a woman and I'm not white, so I don't care. But essentially, they have murals for her in DC. And I've heard women talk, just praise her like she's some sort of a deity, like a judicial deity. Which, anyway, neither here nor there. But that leads me to another topic, because this is like a microcosm of essentially how white women are treated in society. And they're treated in a few different ways. They're given preferential treatment, one. They are held completely unaccountable. There's no accountability. And three, there's zero scrutiny applied to decisions that they make, that might be, no matter how harmful they may be to individuals or to groups. And we definitely don't address that. That's the 3 points. And we definitely don't address, actually, a fourth point. The fourth point is dealing with black people's relationship with white women from a political standpoint. White women are not held accountable for any of their participation in undermining black people as a collective, politically and economically. It seems because, and the reason is because of white liberalism. White liberalism has kind of taught people that anti-black, white, racist groups, individuals, and systems are a result of patriarchy. This is getting into like the northern